Yes, Nana. Theorem 1.2, again I'm reading. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Yeah, what is mean by prime factorization? We have discussed in the here. First one, composite number and product of primes and factorization and unique. These four terms we will discuss here. See, factorization. What is mean by factorization? Suppose you take a number 20. Yeah. If you want to factorize this number, you have to split that into product of some other numbers. Nothing but product of primes. So 2 tens and 2 5s. Okay. This 20 we can express 2 into 5 now. This is called factorization. And this is a product of primes. Product of primes nothing but 20 we can write in the manner of multiplication. So we can, product is nothing but multiplication, right? Isn't it? So 20 we are expressing in product of primes, that is called factorization. This is also known as prime factorization, that we can also call prime factorization. Okay, why do we call prime factorization? Here 2 is a prime number, 2 is also prime number, 5 is a prime number, right? So this 20 I have expressed in the form of 2 into 5, which is nothing but product of primes. Okay, this is clear. But see, suppose this 20 I'm going to factorize with 5 first. I'm taking 5 first. 5 fours are 20 and 2 twos are. Suppose if you observe here, I started with 2 and we got finally 2 into 5. But here I started with 5. Again, we got here same 2 into 5, right? Isn't it? Nothing difference in this product, isn't it? So that is the meaning of unique. If you take a factorization to any number, the prime factorization is unique, Nana. We cannot write that in any other products. Okay, either you can start with 2 or 5 or 4 or whatever, but you will get, and finally the product is same. That is the meaning of unique, Nana. Okay, right. So what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic saying? You can take any, Vishwant, you can take any composite number, you can express that composite number into product of primes, Nana. Okay. Right now. So every composite number, suppose what is mean by composite number actually? What is mean by composite number? Indraja, unmute. What is composite number?
It's not divisible by 2.
It is not divisible by 2. Wow. Once after this class, refer once again. I told you to make an assignment regarding these definitions. I'll ask you one more. Sahiti. What is composite number? No. If I ask you a question, this simply you switch off your video, right? You'll see. I will come to your home definitely. Definitely, I will come to your home. Kirtana 10th. Just wait, Nana. Where are you? Yes, Nana. Kirtana.
Every composite number can expressed by the product of primes.
Yes, Nana. Very good. What you told is exactly good. But what I am asking is, what is composite number? Very good answer. But I need an explanation. I need a definition of composite. What is mean by what is composite number actually? To which number we call composite?
Unique number.
Okay, good, Nana. You tried anyway. Good. I will give you the explanation for that. Pavan.
Sir,
Yeah, what is composite number?
a number which has 2 or more factors.
Which has 2 or more. Almost done, but a small change in the definition. Okay, very good, Pavan. Almost done. Sharwani.
A composite number is a positive integer which is not prime.
Which is not prime. Composite number is a positive integer which is not prime. Okay, good. Sania.
Same, sir.
Nana?
Same definition, sir.
You search in Google, I think, all of you.
No, sir.
Then what is same means? Please, can you repeat it?
A composite number is a positive integer one in itself.
If you search in Google, then only it is you will. Then only you can say. Then only you will say it is a positive integer. If you find it by your own or in textbooks, you definitely get this kind of definition. That is mute. The number which has at least 3 factors. అంటే మీరు గూగుల్లో సెర్చ్ చేస్తే చెప్తుంది ఇంటిజర్ అని రాసుకోరు మంచిగా. ఓకే, ఎనీవే పర్లేదు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. అలా అయినా సరిపోతుంది. మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పడం కావాలి. ద నంబర్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ అట్లీస్ట్ 3 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ composite number. Okay, it is positive integer, but generally I cheptam manam. Okay na, no problem. Or the number which has more than 3 factors, sorry, more than 2 factors, more than, not 2, Nana, Pavan. More than 2. If it is having 2 factors, it is called prime number. Okay, if the number having only 2 factors is a prime number. More than 2 means nothing but simply 3. So that I have written here at least 3, right? So that is called composite number. So every composite number you can express as a product of primes. Suppose see 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, so on. We can write many numbers like this. What is the smallest composite number? 4. 4 is the smallest composite number. So what are the factors of 2? Sorry, factors of 4. Sridivya, what are the factors of 4? Sridivya, factors of 4. Getting tense. Suddenly sir asking me question.
Sir,
What are the factors of 4?
4,
4,
8,
8,
12.
12. Very good. Just wait, Nana. I will ask you one more. Just wait. Indraja, start your video first. Yes, Nana, check now.
1 into 4, 2 into 2.
1 into 4, 2 into 2.
Yes.
Yes, is it answer? Okay, we'll see. Next. See how much standard basics you have. This it is a definition I'm asking and factors I'm asking. It is very what is that? It's a question of 6th class. Just wait. Marihanaj. Aste abhi dekh. Aste. Marihanaj.
Yes,
Unmute.
sir.
What is mean by factor? What are the factors of 4? Switch it off. Turn off your way, I think. Start your video first. सर्वे को आते मैं शारवानी I'm not able to hear your voice.
Sir, 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4.
Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. What is mean by factor? Factor is a number which divides the given number exactly. Which divides a given number exactly. So this 1, 2, 4. 1 divides this 4. 1 4s are 4, remainder 0. I have explained very detailedly in the first class. 2 2s are 4, which gives 0, and 4 1s are 4, which gives 0. Right? So that 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4 Nana. These are multiples. 4, 8, 12, so on. They are called multiple. That is the difference between multiple and factor. Multiples are nothing but which comes in the table. Okay. Right? So, see, this 4 having 3 factors. Isn't it? 1, 2, and 4. 3 factors it is having, right? Okay. I think you got the concept now. So, like every composite number we can express in the form of product of primes. I'm giving you some questions. Please try to write them in product of primes. 169. Next, 210, 152, number 4, 140, number 5, 160. Suppose if you take 250, 250, this we can write 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, and 5 2s are, 5 5s are, and 5 5s are. Is it right? I think have I done any mistake? No, right? So this we can write 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, this we can write 2 into 5 cube. Now this is the product of primes, right? This is the product of primes. Suppose if I write this 250, I'll start with 5. What happens? 5 50s and 5 10s and 2 into 5s or 5 into 2. Again we got same, right? If I start with 5, then also we'll get same. 2 into 5 cube, right? This is called apart from the order. This is called apart from the order and unique order. Okay, this is the prime factorization. And what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number we can express in the form of, we can express product of primes. Okay, please try to write these numbers into product of primes. Okay, right. Make it fast. Next. Vijay, take a screenshot and send it to me. Okay. So example 3, example 4, we'll discuss in the next class. Go into that. Okay. Already you have the here in the questions. No, examples we'll discuss in the tomorrow's class. So along with that, which I give an example of questions, along with them, first bit, solve the first bit now. Take the homework as first bit. Okay. Right. Yes, any doubts you can ask me. If any doubts, you can raise the hands. Exercise 1.2, first bit is homework. We'll discuss example problems and remaining in the next class. I'll ask you questions now. Gautam, who's this Gautam? Gautam, class. Gautam, class 7.
Sir,
What is meant by composite number? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు నాన్న మొత్తం గాలి ఇస్తున్నారు మైక్ పెట్టుకొని
ఏం చేయట్లేదు సార్.
ఓకే Saturday you must bring your notes to the school. I'll do the correction from day 1 onwards. I will check everything and I told you already FN is separate, homework notes separate, running notes separate. Okay, and I have given you assignment. That assignment also you have to submit to me. Okay, right Nana, have a nice day. Bye all of you.